Hi, my name is Hilda Zilkin. I'm the author of Blue Mountain Mist. I am doing another entry today, and this one has to do with legality. At the very beginning, I had a one-page contract, very simple, with a lawyer, and at that particular time, somehow, after I left, 10 pages were tacked on to that file. And then from that point on, I've never had such a headache with legality. But when you're the $40 billion female, wars can be generated. People can do a lot of illegal things, and they don't lie. They say we bought it, a simple pop-up, for example. They don't realize the legality behind pop-ups. You cannot buy Buckingham Palace with a pop-up, but if it's explained that it was bought over, people will believe it and will give you the other person the royalties when it actually belongs all to Hanna. And this is some of the challenges when you're worth a lot of money. Cluster 3's impacts really had to do with two sets of fractioning highly rich individuals, followed with medicals, followed with the army, followed with a bunch of spoiled children selling things when Hanna was working online as a pop-up, not lying, but just saying, you know, we bought it with the pop-up and things like that. Massive difficulties. We are trying to utilize the money to sort of do a micro sample for land and betterment, using the revenue from Blue Mountain, part of the Historical Society, part of the room inside the Vatican. Plus, Hanna has a whole gallery of photos. All of these things were done with immense pain. You know, not a normal psychology, that's for sure. It took years to calm down, and she is still not relatively calm, only for the fact that it's so unstable. Money was used criminally, and that is one of the biggest difficulties we're encountered. So a lot of Canadians are not accustomed to this. They're so innocent. They're saying law will take over and we will win. But when there's no law, that is the issue, and soldiers became targeted, and as they grew their operations, you know, criminality did such damage, along with them releasing prisoners, and it was very ugly. This is part of C3's history. But really, if you think about it, you know, if someone generates like this and is so damn creative, to cut the person short at the revenue component of it, and not the revenue to Hanna herself, all the proposals, the patent ideas and projected ideas to establish an economy back on based off green industry for social betterment. I question the psychology, but this is the problem. We are dealing with countries who, when you throw a cracker, 1,000 of them jump out on it, and that is the challenge. Canada doesn't have these issues, and they hurt so many people in the process, illicitly, illegally, criminally, complete fraud. So they're just, it's just almost like something rolling that's a massive amount of goo, it just swallowing up as it keeps rolling and getting bigger and bigger and bigger. It's a form of a tumor, I guess, the psychology of control, or the psychology of domination, part of C3's history. And like I said, with the Alaskan levee break, and that's something Hanna created, merging two land masses together. It's an imaginary line. With that, you would think humans would be happy and humans would merge together and try to resolve some of the difficult challenges. Well, when the globe was partying, Canada was wailing their eyes out, and it has not been an easy journey, that is for sure. So this is where we are today. Thank you and have a good day.